Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we will be cooking Vietnamese braised fish, or Kho Tộ, a beloved staple of Southern Vietnamese home cooking. This dish is the ultimate comfort food, famous for its perfect balance of salty and sweet flavors, all brought together in a rich, glossy caramel sauce. Before we start, let's go over our ingredients. We'll need 550 grams of Basa fish. Here, I'm using frozen Basa, which is available in most supermarkets. As you can see, it's already cut into thick slices, making it perfect for today's recipe. We'll also need 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced shallot, 1 green onion, 3 to 4 Thai chilies, and half a tablespoon of pork lard. For the caramel base, we'll use 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Last but not least, we'll need the ingredients for the iconic braising sauce: 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, half a tablespoon of mushroom powder, half a tablespoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of water. If you'd like to reduce the fishy aroma even more, feel free to increase the black pepper to a full teaspoon. Now that we have everything ready, let's start preparing. First, rub the fish with a little salt to help remove any fishy odor, then rinse it thoroughly under cold water. Check for any clotted blood and remove it, as this can cause an unpleasant smell during cooking. One of the great things about using frozen Basa is that it's usually cleaned very well before packaging, so there's very little prep work left to do. Once the fish is clean, pat it dry with paper towels before moving on to the next step. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, half a tablespoon of mushroom powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a good stir until the sugar has completely dissolved, then set the bowl aside for later. And one last thing before we hit the stove. Separate the green and white parts of the green onion and finely chop them both. The white parts will be used for sautéing along with the minced garlic and shallot, while the green parts are reserved for garnish. Finally, finely chop 1 Thai chili. We'll use that at the very end to add a little pop of color and heat. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a clay pot, or a regular pan if you don't have one, over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and let it melt until it turns a golden brown. As soon as it reaches that color, turn off the heat to prevent the caramel from burning. Add the minced garlic, minced shallot, and the white parts of the green onion. Stir everything together until fragrant. Next, arrange the fish slices in a single layer and lightly pan fry them for about 1 minute on each side. Turn the heat back on and pour in the prepared braising sauce. Gently flip the fish so both sides are evenly coated. Once the sauce starts to thicken, add enough hot water to partially cover the fish. Then add the pork lard along with 2 or 3 whole Thai chilies. Bring everything to a gentle braise over medium-high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Carefully turning the fish once or twice so it doesn't stick and absorbs all those delicious flavors. When most of the liquid has reduced and you're left with a rich, glossy sauce coating the fish, turn off the heat. Finish by garnishing with the chopped green onion and the sliced Thai chili. Carefully transfer the braised fish to a serving plate and spoon that rich, glossy sauce right over the top. For the best experience, serve it immediately alongside a bowl of hot steamed rice. And there you have it, a delicious, authentic Vietnamese meal ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe to Viet Flavours, and share it with your family and friends. We'll see you in the next video.